Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Resident Evil Requiem and your game is not launching, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Resident Evil Requiem not launching on your computer easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Resident Evil games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive. So you're going to go to your C drive now, program files 86, you're going to go into Steam then, and then Steam apps. Here you're going to go into common, and then you're going to have the Resident Evil Requiem folder here. You're going to go into it, and in that folder you're going to have this dinput8.dll file. So just delete this dinput8.dll file from here, and then you're going to have your config file here as well. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your config file and then click edit on here, or you're going to click edit in notepad, and now you're going to go into edit here. You're going to click on find, and then you're going to search for frame gen. You're going to have both frame generation and upscaling in this config.ini file. You're going to make sure that you turn both of these settings to off. So just write off on here after the equals sign. After that, click on file, click save, and now you can try to play Resident Evil 9, and you're going to see that your game will now work. So the it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.